This module deals with the command called echo. Echo is a shell built-in command. We call them shell built-ins for short. This means that there is actually not an executable file called echo anywhere on your Unix system. Instead, when you type in the word echo on the command line or use it in a shell script, the shell processes that command wholly internally. No extra program is needed. So what does it do? Well, its function is very simple. It's one of the simplest programs there is. Any command line parameters of echo are written to standard output. If you like, they are echoed to standard output. It's a bit like a print statement, or if you're a C programmer, a printf statement. If no parameters are given, then a blank line is simply output. So, that's what it does. Now, why would we use it? What's the point of having it? Well, we primarily use it to display messages to the users of the script. Let's have a look at an example of that. At the dollar prompt we might type in echo, my name is Mark, and then of course the echo program would simply create one line of output called my name is Mark, whereupon it would terminate and the shell would offer you another command prompt. Let's have a look at some examples of where and how you might use that. Well, if we just use it on the shell command line by itself, it's not extremely useful. We can simply say echo hello there, and of course we get a line that just says hello there by itself. Echo by itself without any command line parameters gives us a blank line, as you can see. It's only when we start to use it within shell scripts that it actually becomes useful. Let's open up our MyScript program and modify that so that it includes a line of echo. So I might do it just here above the last line of the file, and I might put the word echo in there as well. The current date and time is, and then a colon, and then of course we would get the date. And right at the top we might do a similar thing, except instead of saying the current date and time, we might say directory, like so. Okay, the file is saved. I'll now quit and run it again. And this time I get 5 lines of output, the current directory, which is then followed by obviously the current directory, then the contents of the directory, and then the current date and time. Now it's still a little bit bunched up, so let's try again. Let's go back into MyScript and do it a little bit differently. After we do the pwd command, let's do echo, and then that'll create a blank line, and then we can say the contents of the directory are, and then that, and then we'll do another blank line just to separate the 3 different outputs. And let's save that and run it. And now the output's looking a little bit more user-friendly. Rather than 3 unexplained lines simply appearing on our display, we've broken them up now into 3 different sections, and each section has been explained, all through the use of the echo command. Echo also comes in very handy when we're displaying the value of variables, but we don't know what variables are yet. We'll have to wait to the next chapter or 2 before we discover variables. Anyway, that's it for echo for now.